So we got this situation. If alpha equals integration from 0 to 1 e power 9x plus 3 tan inverse x times 12 plus 9x square plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx, where tan inverse x takes only principal value, then the value of this function is. Okay. So the idea is, you know that you have to do integration. है ना? So look at this. Suppose alpha is given as integration from 0 to 1 e power 9x plus 3 tan inverse x and then 12 plus 9x square upon 1 plus x square and dx. Correct? So how you have to respond to these kind of questions? You know that whenever we are handling integration, we used to take help of substitution, and we used to apply substitution to those kind of functions which we find to be ugly. Okay, so what is the ugly part? If you will observe the question, hopefully you may find this to be super ugly. Correct? I know the whole question is ugly, but I want you to break this thing. Means inside the function who is more ugly than anything else. Okay, so this power is more annoying. So suppose that you guys have taken this 9x plus 3 tan inverse x as the ugliest thing. Okay, now you know that whenever we will take something as z, the limit got changed. Correct na? So if you will observe, from 0 to 1 your function is continuous. Okay, tan inverse function is continuous everywhere, है ना? And x is also continuous everywhere. Now look at this. So you know that if you will take something as z, your limit will change. So if x is 0, what will be the lower limit? So 9 times 0, tan inverse 0 is 0, 0 times 3 is 0. So lower limit becomes null, 0. Now think about the upper limit. If you will replace x with 1, you will be having 9 times 1, 9. Tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 means what? 45 degree means tan function produces 1 at which angle? 45 degree. So 3 times 45. So it is 9 plus 3 times 45. 3 pi by 4. Comfortable? Now let's do the differentiation. Let's manipulate the question now. So it is dz by dx. What is the differentiation of 9x? It's 9. What is the differentiation of tan inverse x? It is 1 plus x square. Correct na? Now let's do the simplification. The LCM is 1 plus x square. You will be having 9 plus 9x square plus 3 means 12 plus 9x square upon 1 plus x square. The same ugly thing you got. है ना? So can we write dz equals to this ugly thing with d of x, differentiation of x? Comfortable? Now apply the replacements. So can I write e power z dz? Is that okay? Now do you know integration of e power x with respect to x? It is e power x. So e power z with respect to z is e power z, है ना? Plus integration constant c. Now let's write down the upper limit and the lower limit. 9 plus 3 pi by 4. Now put upper limit first. So if you will put upper limit e power 9 plus 3 pi by 4 plus integration constant c, then we will be having minus, and now we will be going through the lower limit. So e power 0 plus c bracket close, and this thing is equal to what? Alpha. Now this c will be eliminated by this c. Comfortable? So e power 0 is 1. So can I write this thing as e power 9 plus 3 pi by 4 minus of 1 alpha. Now what do we want? We want alpha plus 1. So can we add 1 to the both side? So we will be having alpha plus 1 equals e power 9 plus 3 pi by 4. Now what do we want? With 1 plus alpha we want log e. So can I take log on both side? So if we will take log on both side, it will become log of alpha plus 1 is equal to log of e power 9 plus 3 pi by 4. And what is the base of the log? Base of the log is e. Let's place the base. Now, you know that if anything is written in the argument, in the power of argument of log comes at coefficient. So can I write 9 plus 3 pi by 4 times log e base e log base e 1 plus alpha. Now, do you know the value of log e base e? It's 1. If the argument and the base is same, it's 1. So 9 plus 3 pi by 4 log base e 1 plus alpha. Now what do we want? We want minus of 3 pi by 4. So can I subtract 3 pi by 4 from both sides? So log base e 1 plus alpha minus 3 pi by 4 is equal to 9. Okay, so the required result is 9. I hope you guys got the idea and you guys can connect the dots which you guys have studied till date. Okay,